All of us who have kids love them and want them to have a joyous Christmas, a happy Christmas. That's the Santa spirit.
Christmas time would definitely be the time when you'd be like, okay, is it a difference between paying rent or buying this toy for my child?
Being a parent for my sons for Christmas, I've had those times where I was struggling with things, and the feeling is indescribable.
It's challenging. There's always a lot of needs for our students as well as for our parents.
Christmas is a time, I think, when those needs become more evident, because everyone has an expectation that Christmas is wonderful and joyful, and for some families it's not.
I would tell my sons, you guys, I don't know what we're gonna do. We have the light bill, we have this to pay. Well, Mom, don't worry about it, I said, no, but in my heart I felt like I gotta do something.
Children don't understand. They don't understand I don't have it.
It's heartbreaking. It truly is. And it takes organizations like Santa for the Very Poor to actually infuse in our families hope.
I think that's what Santa for the Very Poor is about, is helping people at that special time of year and help them get through.
55 years ago, it started with several families giving to a couple of families.
I believe the number of families that are supported by Santa for the Very Poor is in excess of 850 or 900. I keep hoping one day that we'll have 1,000 bags to pack.
Santa for the Very Poor brings in the entire family. That's really crucial, and no one gets left out.
We go to great lengths to know the age and the gender of the people we're buying for and to give them an appropriate gift.
We received a food bag, so that really made it special because I didn't have to worry about what we're going to eat for Christmas.
I received enough food where I could feed my family the whole 2 weeks that we were out of school.
They come back and they tell me, if it had not been for this program at this time, I don't know how I would have fed my family.
The need every year is overwhelming. But the satisfaction I have is knowing that I can do something about it. I can't solve it all, but we can help.
I thank God for organizations like Santa for the Very Poor, because it gives us an opportunity to believe and to have the faith that we can survive.
Just being able to be a part of that kind of giving to people that really, really appreciate it. I mean, our families are just so grateful.
There's so many more that we can help out, but we need the funds to help do all that.
If anyone can help with those products being donated, anyone can help with voluntary donations, we'd love for you to help us do what we do.
You can do a lot. Everyone can write a check. And then hopefully from some of the awareness we're creating now, they can see where that money is going.
When we receive money from our donors, they are assured that every penny that comes in goes to the recipients. We have no overhead whatsoever. We never have.
We're only limited by how much we can get. If we get more money and more products, we can help more people. It's simply that simple.